What if you wanted to capture only specific traffic using TCPdump? In this video, I will show you how you can capture only HTTP and DNS. But before we start, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Here you can see we have TCP and port 80 or UDP and port 53. So this command filters traffic using logic, just like you do in programming. Let's hit enter. As you know, TCP and port 80, that's HTTP. And we have UDP and port 53, that's UDP. Now I brought up a different terminal so that we can try HTTP. Let's hit enter. Now we got our response. Because this is HTTP, you can see the source, the destination, and this flag, which shows that this is HTTP. And we have the sequence number and the acknowledgement. In other words, with this very command, we are able to filter only HTTP and nothing else. Now, let us do it again and filter only UDP, port 53. Hit enter. Using a different terminal, we are going to try to reach or dig example.com. Hit enter. Because this is UDP, when we go back here, we are going to see the source, the gateway, the domain. So as you can see here, there is no HTTP, there is no flag that shows that this is HTTP. Instead, this is UDP output. You see the difference? Now with the same command, let us hit enter. Now using the second terminal, let us ping the Google DNS. As you can see, here, there is no output related to a ping. That is because ping is not amongst the filter that we have here. As you can see, our filter is only for TCP and port 80 or UDP and port 53. There is no ICMP there. As you know, ping is ICMP. But because it's excluded or it's not included in our command here, nothing is coming up. This is how you can easily filter what you want to return in your TCPdump output. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Watch the next video in order to see other interesting filters that you could use with your TCPdump. Thank you.